Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Instagram app not launching or working properly on iPhone. Encountering issues with the Instagram app on your iPhone can be frustrating, especially when it refuses to launch or keeps caching, whether it's an unresponsive app or unexpected glitches. This video will help you troubleshoot and resolve the common problems preventing Instagram from working smoothly on your device, from checking server status to ensuring your app's version is up to date. Follow along for effective solutions to get your Instagram experience back on track without losing any data. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Visit this down directory page, a reliable source for checking real-time outage reports for Instagram, and you are done. And the next step is ensure Instagram is updated. Once you have ruled out several problems, the next step is to ensure your Instagram app is current. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap the search icon at the bottom and type Instagram. To see if an update is available, install the latest version of Instagram can significantly improve app functionality, providing you with the most recent features and optimizations for a better user experience, and you are done. And the next step is offload and reinstall Instagram app. When Instagram fails to launch or work correctly on your iPhone and updating the app doesn't help, offloading Instagram might be a smart move. This process removes the app but keeps all your data intact. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. It might take a few moments to show all the apps. Scroll to find Instagram, tap on it and then tap on Offload app. Confirm your choice. After offloading, there will be an option to reinstall app. Tap it to get a fresh version of Instagram from the App Store. This process refreshes the app installation without affecting your data, potentially fixing any glitches, and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. Restarting your iPhone is a straightforward yet powerful troubleshooting step that can resolve numerous app-related issues, including problems with Instagram. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. A fresh restart clears temporary glitches and could smooth out any operational hiccups with the Instagram app, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Instagram app not launching or work properly on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.